Welcome to this TMS video series for instructors. In this session, we'll be talking about how you can access labs to prepare to teach a course. We'll be looking at two different ways for you to access your labs. The first way is to look up a course and access the labs from the course. The other way is to go to a class you've been assigned to teach, and you'll be able to access the labs from there. For most all instructors, you'll be able to access any of your labs and courses from the Courses tile and choosing the Find Courses link. From here, you can search for a course by name, and we're going to start with a beginner course. Once you've opened the course, you can scroll down to the course activities. We have a couple of labs and some links, and you can open all of these. We also have some additional resources posted as course materials. If we come back up, you can just click on the lab, and that'll take you to a second page where you can launch the lab and work all the way through it. If you've been assigned to teach a class, then as the instructor of that class, you have access to all of the course resources and labs from the class itself. There's several ways you can get to the class. You can go to Find Classes and search for the class. It will list, by default, it'll list who the instructor is, so you can open that class by clicking on the link. Another way you can get to the class is from the calendar link on the site navigation. This will be your instructor calendar once it opens. It will show you classes that you're scheduled to teach. Just clicking on a link for any of those classes will get you into the class materials. And the other way that you can get to your classes is to go to your instructor profile. And as you scroll down a little bit, there's this instructor information section. And you can go to upcoming classes taught by this instructor, and you can go to the instructor calendar. Again, the same as the calendar link up at the site navigation. So you have several options to get to the class you want to see. The one I want to see is in February. I'll open it. Similar to the course, you're going to have information here at the top. This is regarding when the class starts, when the students last post-class lab access ends, and some other information. If you keep scrolling down, you will get into the class activities. And from here, because you're the instructor, you have launch buttons now to begin any of those class activities. That concludes our discussion on how you can prepare to teach a course and access the labs for any of the courses available to you or to any of the classes that you're teaching. Thank you for joining me.